afternoon today, talking with Keith about how where I was to start the day, the sun was a beautiful start after a rainy few days, and then very quickly the clouds came in and it just
changed.
became gray again.
And they make a big difference. I mean, really any time of the year, but this time of the year especially.
Yes,
like
you get a
sunny
sunny day.
55 is much different. In and out of the clouds, we're back to sun here in Portland. We've done pretty well. Most of the state has been cloudier today. It's one of those local biases. You always have, I mean, you look out the window, you see what you see, right? But we are 55 in Portland. We were actually up to 63 earlier today, and then we cooled back down with a little bit of additional cloud cover around. Mountains in the 40s for the most part, mid 40s. Fort Kent sitting at 49 degrees. It'll be in the 30s tonight with some isolated showers coming in by tomorrow morning. Wind gusts right now are out of the north. They're about 20 to 25 miles an hour mostly. It is certainly breezy. It's not terrible out there, but you'll notice that breeze. And you'll see that again tomorrow with the wind being a little bit feisty during the afternoon hours. So tonight we're partly cloudy. Temperatures drop down into the 30s for many of us. And notice it's probably just cold enough that we could see a couple of snow flurries maybe tomorrow morning in Aroostook County. It's on the line, 38, 39. It can snow at that temp. I don't love it to be our first snowflakes to be that warm, but let us know in Aroostook County if you see those snow showers tomorrow morning. Most of us over northern Maine and down east Maine will see an isolated rain shower chance tomorrow in the morning and then through the early afternoon as well. I don't think we'll see that over western Maine, but clouds will increase. Temperatures are cool, only in the 50s. Some of us in the mountains staying in the 40s, and that with that strong wind that I just showed you that will be gusting once again up to 30 miles an hour. And it will be a pretty brisk day in general. We start to recover on Friday, and temperatures on Friday are in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees and set up for actually a really nice weekend. Saturday and Sunday look good. I like Sunday a little bit better because I think it's probably a bit warmer, but I don't think there's going to be a huge variance here, and they're the best 2 days of this week, so you love it when it falls that way on the weekend. Then we've got this storm system to our west lurking for Monday and Tuesday. The models have been playing around with that a little bit. It looks like they're in a slightly better agreement now as to what we're dealing with for rain on Monday, and it's neither the best solution for the drought nor the worst solution. We end up with basically a front coming through on Monday, perhaps some heavy downpours in there. I'd characterize it as more than showers, but not as much of as a soaking rain. So we'll keep an eye on that. That would be Monday with showers lingering into Tuesday. Warmest days are Saturday and Sunday, so the weekend lines up nicely. Coolest day is going to be tomorrow. Many of us staying in the upper 40s and low 50s there. So the weekend looks good. I don't know that it's going to be quite as much rain as the number of raindrop icons we have there, but I do think Monday is a good period of showers, and then showers lingering less consistently on Tuesday, and then the models have to figure out what goes on for mid next week in here. But overall, nice stretch. And this time of the year, about 65 and sunny is good. I mean, it's above average. It's pleasant. We're kind of wrapping up foliage season, so a nice, maybe not last weekend, but close to last weekend for that kind of thing.
A lot of bare trees already.
Yeah.
So we're getting to the end.
Yes, and I think it is definitely for inland is it, and it's a nice weekend to check it out.
All right. Thank you, Keith.